Yo, I know a lot of us have been taking advantage of the Eat Out to Help Out scheme this August. So you're thinking, whoa, I've eaten so much this month. Well, you may need a good old cleanse, my friends. So stay locked, because I'm going to discuss how you can detox your body from morning till night. And you might be surprised to see clearer skin, a memory boost, and better digestion. Right, let's get right into it. You may have heard people say that lemon water is great for detoxifying the body. While this is true, I actually prefer limes as it has a little bit more vitamin C. But just like lemon, studies show that limes actually help flush out unwanted toxins from the body. But the citric acid in limes actually helps get things moving in the bowels by activating the bile ducts. So imagine the waste going through your bowels and just going. Well, another thing to mention is that we only do organic out here, so make sure you get limes that are organic. And make sure they're key limes too. But alternatively, you can actually have ginger and lime shots, which I actually prefer. And I'll leave a link below in the description or in the top corner on how to make these. So what we want to do, every morning we want to ensure that we have lime water, or we can have a ginger and lime shot. I'll discuss what cleansing foods you can actually have shortly, but first, you should be drinking 2 litres of water a day, as it's recommended. But while you're drinking those 2 litres, make sure it's detox water. And ideally you want distilled water. Don't know if it's in the shot, but... And you can see the advantages of distilled water by clicking the link in the description. But what you want to do is add strawberries, as they're a good source of vitamin A and C, which help neutralise toxins and flush out the toxins out of your body. But then you want to add cucumber slices, as they're actually hydrating and anti-inflammatory. But finally, let's add some mint leaves, as they help relax the muscles in the digestive tract and provide relief. So let's make sure you have them 2 litres of detox water throughout the whole day. But before we come to the food, I'm at 213 subscribers. Help me get to 1,000 by hitting that subscribe button. If you don't have an account, it's free. Sign up and subscribe. But while you're there, hit the like button too. It's commonly known in the UK and the US that we simply don't get enough fibre in our diet per day. Women should be having about 25 grams per day. Men should be having around 30 to 38 grams, but we're having half of that. But unlike protein and carbohydrates, fibre only has one job, and that's to get the waste from your gut out your backside. But if you've got an inflammatory bowel disease or even IBS, then this isn't the best of ideas, because you don't need any more help flushing out the toxins. And I know this firsthand because I've got Crohn's disease. Well, where can I find the fibre? You can find it in green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, chard, broccoli and sprouts, as well as ground flax seeds that detox your colon. But as well as that, you can actually have apple cider vinegar, and that's great at alkalizing your body and flushing out heavy metals. And ideally, you want to consume the fibre at both lunch and dinner time. This is nothing to do with diet per se, but however, we need to detoxify the body's biggest organ, the skin. And toxins actually eliminated through the skin, which can cause spots, for example. So we want to ensure that we do some dry skin brushing. And you'll need to find a brush which actually has natural bristles. But if you've got sensitive skin, then you can use exfoliating gloves. And when we do brush, we want to go towards the heart, as it's actually best for our lymph nodes. No, but not only that, dry brushing is actually great at promoting circulation and help flush out toxins. So ideally you want to dry brush before you get in the shower on an evening, or before you get into bed. I actually have herbal teas on a daily basis, and when I think of a cleanse, one of my key go-tos is dandelion and burdock tea. And I'm not talking about that fizzy drink you get down from the local corner shop. However, the drink did actually originate from these herbs. And plus, I don't want to go into great detail about this because I'm going to do a video in the future dedicated to this. But dandelion and burdock root as a tea is the ultimate diuretic, as it will make you go to the toilet for sure. So what we want to do is to ensure we get a full day of detoxing, we have to have lime water first thing in the morning, detox water throughout the whole day, plenty of fibre, dry brush your skin, and if you feel like pushing that boat out, then add that dandelion and burdock root tea. But more importantly to any of all this, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.